Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. So I'm about to enjoy a nice little lunch, some me time, and of course I went by my mailbox and picked up a couple items that came in. Yay! So, oh yeah, let me take a picture for the what do you call it? The cover photo. So anyways, I'm trying to keep it down a little bit because there's other people eating around here. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm so hungry, I just stuck it in my mouth. Wasn't thinking about the fact that I'm doing an unboxing and I need to speak. Sorry about the crunching. Okay, let me just open them. Okay then, chewed and swallowed. Hopefully you guys didn't hear too much of that. Sorry about that. Evaluation room. You already know what one item's about to be. Large CC stud earrings. I've been looking for these earrings at a good price for a while now. And you can thank Cappuccinos and Consignment. Hopefully I didn't say that backwards. Lord. But anyways, she has a pair. They're absolutely fabulous. And I've watched her rock them for a while now. And I just said, you know what? I want my own pair. This is actually an unboxing of 2 earrings. One vintage, one contemporary. So obviously it's a contemporary, it's just from 2014. And this is the vintage one. So, since we already know what this is, let's go on and get this over with. We make sure it looks as good as it says it did. On the website, of course, this is good old, the real. Yay. Very nice. These are always nice. Actually, this might be a good cover photo too. You never know. You know, 95% of the time when it says it comes with the box, it comes with the box. And every once in a while, I'm not careful and don't notice that they say, oh, they're exactly right. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me, oh my gosh. These are them. These are the big bad boys. I'm looking at them with my own naked eye. These are it. Oh my gosh, I got them for such a good price. I am so happy right now. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put them on. Oh, okay. So these are, well, yeah, you already know. The big pearl CC studs. I have a smaller version. It's actually like half the size, maybe even smaller, but it's quilted instead of being smooth. See, like this is a typical pearl. It's quilted, so it looks like a pearl, but it's a little bit darker, and it's quilted with the CC on top. So one of these days when I do my, I know I've already done videos on my vintage Chanel, but when I do my contemporary Chanel collection, I'll make sure to compare those two. We'll show them next to each other so you guys can see the comparison. So anyways, comes with a box and everything. What's this? Oh, this is just, you know, this item cannot be returned once the tag's removed. Well, it wasn't even on it in the first place, but this is not going to get returned. Oh, I love it. Okay, so there's one. Oops, put this down. Ooh, my ear. A fly buzzing around here. Let's see here. That might be a good photo too. Y'all, you never know. Something I think looks good and then everybody else is like, boring, next. Okay, so out the way. That in there. And then this is the other piece. And like I said, that one is contemporary. This one is vintage. What's this in? What the hell? Wow. I mean, it's the original box, I guess. I mean, look at this. Yeah. I mean, I don't get this. Yeah, okay. So I guess the Real taped it closed. I mean, why did it do that? I don't know. Well, that's a little different. Not that I'm an expert, but this is also, I've never seen a box like this before from Chanel either, but anyways, it's vintage, who knows. Is this gonna peel off, or is it gonna take off part of the... Okay, it's sort of coming off. Pull it at an angle, maybe this will be enough. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna try to peel it off here. Yeah, I'm not wearing my wedding ring right now. I don't know what happened. Like, do you see it's like swollen right there in red? Yeah, I'm allergic to my wedding ring. It's just joking. I think it just needs to be cleaned. And I have to start taking it off again every night. When I do that, it's usually the best way to go, but I gotten lazy and I start wearing it overnight and when I showered and everything else. I'm sure a bunch of gunk got stuck up there, even though, you know, you think you shower and you're cleaning off your body and everything, but I don't think so. Not when it comes to what's underneath the ring. Anyhow, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm just rambling as I'm trying to open this bad boy. Okay, just cracked it open. So let's see what we got here. Oh, this is nice and cushiony. This is different. These look beautiful. Oh my God, I can't. These are very light, but okay, let me give it a chance. Oh, okay, alrighty. So I guess this is what the vintage boxes look like. Okay. Oh, I can't wait to open them. Okay. All right, Machiki, calm down. Okay. Let me go ahead and open it up. Yay! These are absolutely beautiful. Let me look at them with my naked eye. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, these are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So these are vintage Chanel, obviously. Oh, I love them. They're absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me open them up. Make sure everything is legit. All right. That looks good. On the camera, it looks like the plating is a different color than the earring, which I'm like, wait a minute now. But in real life, it's the same. Like when I look at it with my eyes, it's just the same. Alrighty. Look at these. The same. Oh, I love it. And it has little cushiony things, which I know they didn't come with these. This is, someone added these on, but they are definitely helpful. I own a couple of these. And for clip-ons, most definitely helpful. Oh, these are beautiful. Beautiful. You can see to the side. Everything looks good. I've purchased items, of course, from The Real, where I am from, Fashion Mile, but also there's a local shop I like to go to. It's called hashtag Panache. It's also, the previous name was Panache on H. I'll link their Instagram page. But I've purchased things from him like all the time, and he's given me little tips over the years what to look for older items, not so much for authenticity, but just to make sure that it's original and it hasn't been altered. So he says, you know, look to make sure that the patina is even. It doesn't have to be exactly even, but if something looks super shiny and new and something else doesn't, like here, this looks super old and then this looks super shiny and new on camera, but when I look at it with my naked eye, it looks exactly the same. So that's good. It's not like they made a fake earring and just stuck a nameplate on it to try to sell it. Another thing is sometimes these little hinges give out and they get replaced. I mean, that's fine as long as it's disclosed, and that was not disclosed, so I'm assuming these are fine. And looking at them, it doesn't look like they've been repaired. Yeah, it doesn't look like they've been repaired. And for me, having a little bit of that green, is it a good thing? No. But is it a bad thing? I also say no, because that sort of lends to the fact that it's old. You know, these are gorgeous. And I actually saw a coordinating brooch that would go exactly with these. Oh, it was in the local consignment shop I was just telling you. Panache on H, or hashtag Panache. Oh, these are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love them. Don't look at my fingers. Anyways, I'm very happy of my 2 earrings. And these are not as heavy as my other vintage ones. There's a little weight to them, but not much. Some of them are super heavy. Super heavy. So let me bring them both out. And then, yeah, this is cool. It's an older box. Interesting. Just for the history. Yes. Alrighty. So I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Hey, Cappuccino and Consignments, we're earring twins now. I love her style. Oh, okay, y'all. Until next time. Bye. Ooh, need to get these nails done.